Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video is how to fix the brother Intellifax 2950. So the issue is replace toner as you can see in the display. So the problem is cannot print the hard copy from the sender and then also the photocopy. So at first, let's fix this issue. Open the front cover. Then remove and return back the drum and toner. Then as you can see in the display, and then next, press clear, asterisk, and 00. Let's wait for a while. So it's completed. It's accepted rather. So let's wait for a while. So as you can see on the screen, close the cover, front cover. Then let's wait in a certain sequence. Then now it's pointing, so this is good indication. So now it's printing, now it's okay. And then as you can see in the screen, so it's back to normal. So the toner replace issue has done. Okay, so this is how to fix the toner replace cartridge issue. So if cannot print and cannot receive documents from sender. Thank you.